Hello, welcome to our bonus Friday video, and today we're doing the update on our workshop. So what we've done is we've done quite a lot of work over the week. There's been a lot of painting, sorting things out, trying to get things in place. So we're going to give you a quick look round what we've done and bring you up to date. So here we go. Okay, so this is the way we normally face when we're doing a video. And as you can see, we've got nice clean walls, painted floor, we've got some nice plants, and we've really just cleaned up the space, made more room. This area here we can just have for holding flowers. And forgive me for having to move around. Over here, obviously camera, tripod. And this is an old wardrobe, but it's ideal for storing all our containers, wires, ribbons, vases, some vases up the top, and yeah, it's ideal because then you can just close the doors and it doesn't look too bad, which is great. So we've got a really nice clean area. Now I'm just going to head up here and turn round, and this is the other part of our room. So this is going into the second room. We've got a nice table for working on. So the idea behind all this was to basically make a space that was fully functional and changeable. So if we wanted, we could put a table up against the wall, we could put more tables in the middle, we could use this for a workshop, or we could use this for maybe doing like a setup for a table where we can show you table arrangements in place. So we've got our nice table, some plants on the wall. I'm a bit conscious that this area is quite echoey, so we wanted to try and get rid of the echo, so we put a lot of plants. This is my favourite little bit of furniture that was here in the house, and it's like a little sideboard. So I've got this full of containers and different bits and bobs, and it really is quite cute. These were some of my dahlias from the garden. And as you can see, we've got a really nice space now for working. Now going through here, this is really just into the entrance as you come in. And I really use this space as like a garden room, a kind of garden space. So it's got it's got a sofa there at the moment, which in theory shouldn't be there, but actually it's quite nice. And this is where I can like store materials, take cuttings, overwinter things, and it's just a lovely little space. And I've got some really nice hanging plants, and I love this plant. This is a papyrus, and it grows so easily, and the stems are so useful if you're needing a straight line, and it's just so easy to start a new plant. And this little this little unit here, yes, it's full of toilet rolls, but it's also full of my gardening books, and in the bottom it's full of pots for cuttings and things. So, that's our space. So thank you for joining us today. I hope you like our new space. We're really excited about the potential for all sorts of things, especially making new videos and making maybe some bigger pieces as well. So stay safe everyone, and we look forward to seeing you on Tuesday for our next design video. Okay, take care, bye!